Alright guys, this is just a video of me unboxing my ice tank and pump setup that I just got, intercooler pump setup that I just got for my G8. Basically, I'm making this video because I couldn't find one. I think I found one with a Camaro ZL1 and a CTSV, but I couldn't find one with an ice tank. It is kind of unique. Mine's specific. Mine is a 7-gallon. I have a special cap. I did get the Stewart EMP pump mounted on the outside with the wiring kit and everything. So basically you can get tons of options, and I will tell you mine as I open it up. These are made to fit. I don't think he makes any cookie cutter ice boxes. I mean, he might make some universal ones that don't take 3 weeks to get, but mine was not a universal. Ooh, yes. Oh, I really see it. This is a pain in the butt, but I need this side. Okay. There we go. Took forever. Alright, just to get it open. So you see I got the watertight locker. Very nicely packaged. Very nicely packaged too. Look, he even puts these in little actual tabs that mount to the back of the tank. He cups those so those don't get dented or bent. Hell yeah. So I got, I'm sure, oh, this is the 1-inch tube, because I think the feed or the supply to the pump needs a 1-inch. Let's check out this pump. Actually, hold on, here's a, oopsie, couple 1-inch tubes. Looks like a nice install kit. Let's check out the pump setup. And just so you guys know, I did have a 5-gallon ice PNR Welding ice tank in the trunk, and it had a Rule 2000 submerged pump that was inside. Yeah, for my power levels, basically I found out that my car was falling on its face. I was hitting 140-degree IATs within like, probably I think less than 5 seconds as well. Going wide open throttle, so this amongst a ported Joker's blower and a forced inductions interchiller kit are amongst a few of the things that I've got recently. So this is the, very nice, the Stewart EMP pump, and very nicely welded onto a bracket. This is the WP32 12-volt CDA Stewart EMP smart pump. Very nice. Let's set that in there. Let's see what this kit really quick comes with. I just cut myself with the damn knife. I'll lay this stuff out a little bit so you can see it before I pull the pump out. Actually, here, let's do this. got this nice 90. All the clamps to run the lines, looks like. To the back of your trunk. Mine already ran. I got new ones now. Looks like a shutoff valve, a couple fittings, a couple grommets. This is the EMP pump wiring harness. This is a fuse, looks like. Yep, inline fuse. Couple more bolts for mounting. These are the 1-inch clamps, nice, look like stainless. And then check the tank out. I did get the stainless one. You gotta pay extra if you want it painted, but I like stainless. Only thing I paid extra for was this is one of the best sealing caps. I did get that upgrade. Oh wow, this thing is light as heck. I think I can get it. Wow. This is a work of art, guys. So this goes in your tank. It's gonna go like, here, say that's the back of the car, and I'm facing the back of the car, and here's like the taillights. This is gonna go like, we're facing the back of the car. We're looking at the taillights in the trunk. This is gonna go on the front half so that you're gonna have all this mounted EMP pumping, the hoses and wiring and such coming and hanging right here. So that's really nice. These hold it right in place, flush, I think, with the tank. Very nice weld jobs. And then let's see. Yep, this is the extremely awesome, I don't know what it's called. Let's see what this is called. Watertight locker door, type TCL-4. Made in the UK. Wow. Not that often you see something made by the UK. Oh, but check it out. I want to drop it. Pretty good. Nice seal to the top. Alright guys, I will do a follow-up part 2 video of this mounted in my trunk, so you guys see what it looks like after it's installed, and you see if you want to get the square one that I have in there, or if you want this half moon bigger one that I have here. It's going to be pretty dope. Alright guys, let me just give you a quick close-up. I took everything out of the box, and so there's the ice tank. Stewart EMP pump. Let's get a close-up on that so you guys know exactly which one. I'm sure I'll get asked that. There it is. You can snapshot that. Comes with its own special bracket. I got 2 1-inch hoses, and everything else that you need. Of course, he gives you a Fragola fitting. Here goes all the stuff that it came with. Fragola, all top quality stuff. Alright guys, if this helped and you like this video, tell me what else you want to see. Alright, thanks.